Stocks were lower early, but seemed to be coming off their lows. Initially, all four major indices had erased yesterday's rally. And as I speak to you now, we're above the flat line on all four indices. The Dow, the S&P, the NASDAQ, and the Russell are all just slightly above the flat line. ADP non-farm payrolls in the U.S. came in much higher than expected and much higher than last month's figure. The headline figure came out with 155,000 jobs added versus expectations of 118,000 jobs, and a last print of 84,000 jobs, which was revised higher from a previously reported 77,000. U.S. factory orders also came in stronger than expected at up 0.6% versus expectations of up 0.5%, but lower than last month's level of up 1.8%, which also was revised slightly higher. Treasury yields are lower across the curve, falling between 2 and 5 basis points. The dollar is lower, weakest against the euro, and the yen is also lower. Gold is higher again, but has not quite reached a new all-time high yet. Copper, silver, and crude oil are all higher with the dollar dropping. We have a speech by ECB President Christine Lagarde today, but more important than that is the press conference with U.S. President Donald Trump today at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. He is expected to announce the details of his reciprocal tariff plan. Equity markets seem to have been pricing in a worst-case scenario earlier this morning, but as I mentioned, we're already off the lows and slightly positive in terms of change on the day as I speak to you. Something else to watch tomorrow is the OPEC meeting. EIA inventories rose again this week by 6.17 million barrels, and OPEC may address what seems to be a global oversupply situation, or they may move forward with the planned dissolution of production cuts, increasing the supply of oil to the global markets. Looking ahead after the closing bell today, we have one company with over $1 billion in market cap reporting earnings, and it is specialty retail brand RH. Tomorrow before the open, we have 5 companies with market caps of over $1 billion reporting, and they are ConAgra Brands, Acuity Industrial, Lamb Weston Holdings, MSC Industrial, and Lindsay Corporation, a company specializing in agricultural machinery. Data tonight, Japanese and Chinese services PMI and a Japanese 10-year JGB auction. Tomorrow, minutes from the last ECB monetary policy meeting, and jobless claims and ISM services PMI figures in the U.S.